Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the SpongeBob SquarePants Patrick Star game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the SpongeBob SquarePants Patrick Star game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, go into the settings option if you wish to change your control settings. Now from the settings page, you will need to scroll down to the input section. Then within the remap controls, press the space button. And now you can see all of the controls that have been assigned to your keyboard. In order to change any button, just navigate to this control and press the spacebar key. You will now be asked to press your desired new button. Go ahead and press it, and now it will be assigned right away. You can remap all of your buttons to your desired one. And once you are done, press the escape button to apply your changes. After saving your changes, you can now go back and start your game with your customized controls right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the SpongeBob SquarePants Patrick Star game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.